Welcome to solverfy.
In this problem, we have been given that there is a light bulb which is connected to the socket providing a voltage of 120 volt, and the current is observed to be an alternating current, of course, and that is given by I is equal to 0.707 times sine 314t. So here everything is in SI unit, and we need to determine the frequency of this alternating current. So here we compare the equation of current with the standard equation, that's I naught sine omega t. So comparing, we observe that omega is 314, and omega can be expressed in terms of frequency as 2 pi f. So 2 pi f will be 314. So that implies the frequency here will be 314 divided by 2 times 3.14. So that comes out to be 50 hertz. So we observe that the frequency of this alternating current is 50 hertz.